Hey there, welcome back again to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into a topic that's incredibly important for everyone: personal finance. If you are new to managing your money or just want a refresher, you are in the right place. We'll cover the fundamental principles of personal finance that will set you on the path to financial success. So grab your notebook because we are about to break down the basics. Number one, setting financial goals. The first step in managing your personal finances is setting clear and achievable financial goals. These goals will give you direction and purpose. Whether it's saving for a vacation, buying a car, or building an emergency fund, make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. The SMART criteria. Number two, creating a budget. Next up, creating a budget. This is like your financial roadmap. Start by listing your sources of income and then break down your expenses into categories like housing, transportation, groceries, entertainment, and savings. This will help you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back if needed. Emergency fund. Emergency funds are a financial safety net. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This fund will come to the rescue during unexpected situations like medical emergencies or a job loss, preventing you from going into debt. Number 4, managing debt. Debt can be a burden, so it's crucial to manage it wisely. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts like credit cards. Consider the avalanche or snowball method. Paying off the high-interest debt first or the smallest debt first, respectively. Remember, reducing debt means more money to put towards your goals. Number 5, saving and investing. Saving is essential, but investing takes your money to the next level. Learn about different investment options like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Start with low-cost index funds or ETFs and give your money time to grow. Compound interest can work wonders over the long term. Number 6, retirement planning. It's never too early to think about retirement. If your employer offers a retirement plan like a 401k, take advantage of it. Contribute enough to get any employer match. It's essentially free money. The power of compound interest over decades can make a significant difference in your retirement fund. Number 7, educate yourself. Knowledge is your best asset. Keep learning about personal finance through books, online resources, and even financial courses. Understanding concepts like taxes, insurance, and estate planning will empower you to make informed decisions. And there you have it, personal finance basics for beginners. Remember, financial success doesn't happen overnight. It's all about making consistent, informed choices that align with your goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on mastering your finances. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.